morning, Crafty peeps. Welcome to our second February 2018 Craftology box using Photo Plays Memory Lane. So today I'm going to be doing our layout and my regular linen cardstock. Excuse me for the glare here. This is Tamara's linen cardstock. This is going to be 7 5/8 by 7 5/8. And then I had another piece of cardstock that I cut down to 4.5 by 6.5, okay? And that's going to hold our 4x6 photo. Then for my pattern paper from our paper collection, this one is going to be 7 3/8 by 7 3/8. And then this is a piece of scrap from my yesterday's project, 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, okay? And then I'm going to be using these little pieces from our ephemera pack, the Family Rules, Bless Our Home, and then this was the frame, but I decided to cut it out and then use the inside part of it as a little decoration. And of course, I'm going to be using one of our flowers. And I definitely know I'm going to be using the tree from our paper collection, but I'm not sure. I'm sure I'm going to be using some other little goodies on here, okay? So I'm going to get quiet and we'll get started. Well, and that's it. I decided just to add on some of these little enamel dots from our add-on kit. And also, I hope you all enjoy the tutorial. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. I so appreciate it. Also, to purchase your Craftology box for next month, visit www.countrycraftcreations.com. Thanks, y'all. Bye.